So I cracked open this ground pounders box, and usually EM2 puts the chases on top. No chases on top here, but I noticed that this guy is up in front, but there's something different about this one. So take away the top layers, and look at that. Holy cow. I can't believe it. Oh, that's awesome. I think this is my 4th Super Chase ever for M2. I was actually hoping to get this one, but I didn't want to pay the $80–100 that they're going for on eBay. So, for $597 plus tax, I am not going to complain about the price at all. Oh, that's so cool. I haven't even checked this one yet. There's no way there's anything in here, but you never know. I found 2 chases before in some of these boxes. No, just a Daytona. Ah, there you have it. If you didn't know, that what they're trying to go for in this look is the clay chase, or well, a clay look, like when they're prototyping cars and making them, that kind of make it, they want to make it out of clay for the dimensions, to kind of get a feel for what it's going to look like. There you go. Super Chase. Thank you, Walmart.